This is China Tanfon Solar, the 1 megawatt ESS system with 2 megawatt-hour lithium battery totally is stored here in a 40-feet container. Support for the fast charging with the backup of your 500 kilowatt diesel generator. This is the 500 kilowatt hybrid solar system with the containerized ESS solution. This is the lithium battery stored for totally 1 megawatt-hour. The air conditioning system is here. So at the other side of the 20-feet container, this is the MPPT process. Totally, you can have over 600 kilowatt PV connected here. This is the key part for the inverter. EMS monitor is here for all the cloud data for you to monitor overseas. This is our Tanfon Solar ESS 500 kilowatt inverter with the very strong isolation transformer here, so to support the unstable grid power condition in Africa. Fire protection system is here. So if you have very big factory, mine, hospital, and other industrial projects want to use the 24-hour solar power system, you can contact us. Thank you.